Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. So if you wanted to course getting a copyright strike, to avoid the actual copyright strike, this is like the fastest way to kill your channel growth. So basically, why risk using commercial music when YouTube gives you thousands of professional tracks for free? So I'm going to be showing you how to find the library, how to filter the perfect mood, and most important, how to handle those raw tracks that still require an attribution link. So to access the actual library, you want to head to your YouTube studio on your PC or into your Mac. I'm going to go directly into YouTube. Inside my YouTube studio, I'm going to head for the left section and scroll all the way to the actual button. And if I click into the element that says audio, usually it might be appearing now the creator music. So this page, for example, is optimized for fast loading even if you have missed list of tracks. So you can bring the actual creator music. So I'm going to go for continue. Let's go for get started. You can access and create music from outside the US. I'm going to go for close. And here are the songs that I can actually use for my actual videos. So you'll see there are two main categories. For example, there's the free music, there is the library, and there's the massive list of tracks. So basically you can filter and search with over 2,000 tracks. You can just scroll forever, click the filter icon to narrow it down. For example, let's say that I wanted to look out for some dance and electronic, and to vocals I'm going to go for instrumental only. And the license duration, let's say that I wanted to make this license forever, right? And into the actual price, I can look out for something that is totally for free. Usually they of course going to be a little bit limited, but here, for example, we have a lot, but truly a lot of tracks that we can use and download totally for free. So look for one, select the actual sound. If you like the song, what you need to do, of course, is to hit into play, of course, check out the actual beat. And now you want to pay close attention to the license type column. There's the two main icons that you're actually going to be seeing here. So basically we have the download track. We can go for the view usage details, and you can see more information about your song. For example, you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. YouTube may credit this artist and link the audio library from your video. You may not make video available, distributed performance and music files with this library separately. And of course, basically here, just go for the option that says save, and you're actually good to go. Now, as you can see, how do I use this license? During the upload flow, you can add the license to a video to protect you from the actual copyright claims. So basically, I go for the option that says view usage detail, go for got it, and YouTube will now understand that once this song is going to be appearing into one of my videos, it's okay because I have downloaded this song for free, and I have now the access to download out this actual song. So as you can see, here's my song downloaded into the upper side. This is the actual track that I'm actually looking for. Since it's from the YouTube library, the content ID system will automatically recognize this as safe, so you're actually good to go. This is the safest, easiest way to soundtrack your 2026 content. So if you wanted to know how to use the AI tools to remix these tracks for the fit for the video perfectly, you can let us know in the comments below, and we can watch more tunes about how to get started directly inside there. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully we can see you all next time.